Kā Rikarika o Tāne is our mentoring program. Like Tāne, climbing tiki tiki o rangi for the 3 baskets of knowledge, we're on a journey to grow and support each other. Kia ora, my name's Mai Kahu. I'm the Tāne in this relationship. I'm born and raised in Kaikoura. I whakapapa back to Ngāi Tahu and Ngāpuhi.
Kia ora, ko Kia Henry tōku ingoa. I was born and raised in Whangarei, but I whakapapa to Whangape, Paoringa, Te Kao, Te Hapua.
The first time I heard about it was at my pōwhiri into the university, and J-Dog did a speech about it, and the way he spoke about it so passionately, and he was just saying how much the program would settle me in, would give me the opportunity to meet new people, help me academically. I just knew from then that I needed to be in this program.
It's kind of like a support system, but more so a whānau community, especially for our new tauira Māori coming through, kind of like a place for them to call home. There's that the cultural connection that's established. Whanaungatanga and Manaakitanga, that's the heart of the program. In particular, we connect through kai, through our shared kai at our events, through the activities that Kā Rikarika o Tāne has as well.
I found it really special that it's somebody who's been on the same journey as me, not only somebody going through a health professional program, but a wāhine Māori that's done the exact same thing, that can support me in every aspect that I needed help with.
I myself was a Tāne in 2021. I am still in touch with my tuakana to this day. She provided so much academic support, and so I thought that I should give back to this kaupapa as well. So Maya and I, we go for regular coffee catch-up dates. I try to share my experiences where I can, in particular academic support or how to navigate the university campus, any tips and tricks that people don't know about.
I feel like that's just the heart of the program, and
Yes.
I see it as simple as, hey, do you want to go get a coffee? I'd love some help. Or, hey, I've got this on, can you help me with something? Always there to support me whenever I need anything. The biggest challenge I found moving down to Dunedin was being by myself, I think. Having a tuakana who I can message and say, hey, I need help with this, or this has come up, really helped me overcome the homesickness that I felt when I first come here. Oh, do it. Just get in there.
Definitely do it, especially if you're new to university, coming out from high school.
It's good to have a support system. It's an opportunity for you to meet new people and be connected, be supported in such a big journey that is so scary for some, especially new tauira coming down to Dunedin.